This is a brief overview of when you use how much and how many. Also, I will show you how of the is combined with this pattern. If you go on the website and tab here and then go down to the how-to section, if you scroll down, you will come to the how much and how many section. This is the video here you can play on YouTube. This is the PDF which you can print for free. If you tap on here, this comes up. And basically it shows you how much and how many are used. How much is used with plural nouns not ending in S. The exceptions, there are 4 exceptions: children, people, men, and women. This do not end in S, but they are used with how many instead. I will get to that in a minute. But here we have how much money did he have, how much sugar did he buy, how much smoke was there, how much water did he drink. No S. With how many, you use with plural nouns ending in S. How many pens do you have? How many children did you see? Once again, this is an exception. Children, people, men, women. How many men did you meet? How many shirts did he get? In combination with how much, you will have how much of the and how many of the. Once again, plural nouns are used here. With how much of the, you can use either plural or singular nouns. Let me get this here. How much of the cake did he eat? This is a singular noun, but you can use it with how much. How much of the money did he spend? That's a plural noun. How many and how many of the? How many of the women came? How many of the students passed the test? How many students passed the test? It's exactly the same. But this of the just rolls off the tongue very naturally and flows easily, and it just sounds natural. When you go to answer, if you don't have a specific number, I think that it's easy to look at a percentage of something. You have either all the or all of the. These are the same. He ate all the food. He ate all of the food. It's the same. She met all of the children. She met all the children. The is always necessary with all. You have most and most of the. Most of the students came. Most people don't like it. Close to this, as you see here, almost all of the. He ate almost all the candy. He ate almost all of the candy. It is the same. Close to this is a lot of, and many. A lot of the, many of the. We did a lot of the homework. He bought many of the apples. 50% of something is half the, or a half of the, half of the. He studied a half of the book. They saw half of the house. A smaller percentage, some, a few, and a part of. Some of the, a few of the, a part of the. He paid some of the money. She brought a few of the shirts. We ate part of the cake. If it's just one or two, it's one of the. She told 2 of the people. She told 2 people. It's the same. A percentage, if you want to be exact, 20% of the. He read 50% of the book. If the answer is 0, none of the is used with the positive sentence. None of the books were there. With And a negative sentence or a negative question, any of the is used. He didn't eat any of the chips. 0. Did you meet any of the people? Didn't you meet any of the people? So this is a brief summary. You can print this out, and it has the basic overview on the use of how much and how many. Thank you.